Hey everybody, just wanted to do a quick video to show you how my drink system is working. And I'm stopped in the middle of nowhere, North Dakota, and the nearest town is actually Leith, North Dakota, which is right there. And the reason I went in there is I thought, that name sounds super familiar. Where have I heard that? And I drove by the Brown Town Hall and then it clicked into my head, but I'll let you in a quick Google search figure out why that town is noteworthy. But my drink system, it works great. What I'm doing is when I take drinks out of it, I actually just blow air into it and blow air back into here so that there's not water sitting in it, because it doesn't matter how good your insulation is, it's going to get hot. I get just a little bit of warm water when I'm drinking. I've got another one of these on order. My heat shrink didn't actually hold it in place, but otherwise it's working really well. It sits there nice, it doesn't bounce around or anything. I'm not having any issues with it other than, that not holding it in place. But when I have two of them on there, it won't have room to move and it'll be fine. It stayed cold all day. It was 95 to 100 degrees all day yesterday. Probably going to be warm today, but yeah, I did a great job staying cold. The ice melted, but it was still really cold when I got to the hotel, so it's working great. Just going to add another one of these. And with backpacks or this system, either one, if you leave water in the hose, it's going to get hot, even with insulation. So even with backpack systems, I'd blow air back into it. One thing about this is, it's not 100% airtight, but you can leave the lid, slightly snug, and it'll let air in. If you tighten that lid up all the way, you're going to have to blow air back into it. Otherwise, you take liquid out, you got to put air back in. But otherwise, yeah, just crack it. But yeah, otherwise it's working really well.